I have few things that I need to show you, but today we are going to check this. This is a diagnostic interface from Autel. Oh, I need to take this off. And this should be very powerful. According to the label, this is the Pro version, and there are versions dedicated to those features over here, and the Pro can do all of those. So let's take a look at the device, and in a moment we're going to go to my car just to try it out. There's a user manual, CD. Oh, it's even well illustrated. I can see we have the device. This is iPhone 6. This is iPad mini. And this is the device. So it's quite large, but you can still fit it in your hand. So that's good. Let's just peel that off. That's annoying. And over here we have the OBD2 cable that we should connect to the device over here. And mini USB cable for software updates. And it goes over here. There's also an SD card over here, 60 gigs of data. And there's a power connector over here, but there's no power cable, so I guess that it's not needed right now. It will be powered through the OBD2 port like pretty much all of the OBD2 scanners. But remember, this is not an OBD2 scanner. This should be more powerful. There's a lot of diagnostic applications over here that you will not be able to do with simple OBD2 scanners. Okay, so let's go to my BMW and let's check what we can do with it. Okay, so we are in BMW 1 Series and let's check. Okay, the display is very bright. Today is very sunny and I can see everything over here. And we have a simple menu over here. There's a standard generic OBD2 section, so we can use it as an OBD2 scanner. We have the ABS and the airbag system check, DPF, parking brake, steering angle sensor adjustment, battery monitoring system, oil reset, setup and playback. There's a confirmation beep that you press the button, which is very helpful, especially when the interface is not so quick. But over here I can say that the interface works pretty well. Languages as always. Oh, there's Polish. I love when there's Polish. The language is not authorized. Please obtain the authorization. So I guess that I need to connect it first to a computer. Okay, so never mind this. Let's go back. And let's start with simple OBD2 test. One code found. Let's check what it... BMW. Okay, let's save it. Let's go back. And as you can see, we have over here all the standard OBD2 functions. You can read clear codes, check live data, freeze frames, readiness monitors, O2 monitors, some onboard tests, but I don't think that any is supported on this car. But if your car supports it, you can use this device to perform those tests. Component test, vehicle info, modules present. So let's check what's here, and we have the engine control module over here on the CAN standard fast protocol. Okay, let's try DPF. This is a BMW with diesel engine, so let's go to Europe. Let's select BMW. You can see that there's a number of manufacturers supported. Turn off the ignition, wait 10 seconds and switch it on again. Okay. It's a 1 Series E87 control units. Okay, and we can check live data of the DPF system. So over here we can go to the particulate filter and select what we want to check. Okay, so we can check if the regeneration was requested, if it's enabled at the moment, and what is the status. Okay, let's go. Requested. Okay, regeneration is enabled, and regeneration is not active at the moment. So when I turn on the car and all the parameters are met, so the engine is hot and I have enough fuel and I'm driving at a certain speed, the regeneration will start. Okay, and I can monitor it over here, as BMW is not giving any indication to the driver without a diagnostic interface if the DPF regeneration is needed, required, or is performed at the moment. And with this you can check if it's performed, and you can also request it manually if for some reason it's not enabled by the car itself. So now let's go to the oil reset. And for BMW we have 6 different services that we can reset. So let's go to the oil, reset with tool. We have the percentage of the oil quality, we have the counter, how many times the oil was changed in this car, and we can just reset it. And at the moment I don't need to reset it. I've just done the maintenance procedure on this car, so we will not do this over here. But if you want, you can do this over here with ease. You don't have to use the hidden menu in the instrument cluster in BMW. And in other cars, like for example in Audi A3 8P, I think you need a diagnostic interface to reset it, because with the button procedure you can only reset the inspection, not the oil. Or is it the other way? Anyway, in Audi you cannot reset both of the reminders without the diagnostic tool. So I believe that this will be very helpful for such cars. Okay, I think that this device will be very interesting, and I will for sure use it in my future tutorials. For example, when I'm going to regenerate the DPF in BMW. And for now this is it. You can check the description below this video for more details about this device. Also there's a link to an online store if you want to buy one already, but soon I'm going to test some of the features that this has, and there's a lot to test, so I don't think that this is going to be just one video. Okay, so thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this first impression video, and subscribe for future videos. See you soon.